Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming versions and getting the plugin file in the right place. First, check Premiere Pro version and plugin compatibility. Mismatches cause failures. Next, install via Adobe Exchange or manually drop the plugin into the Premiere Pro plugins folder. Once done, restart Premiere so the host recognizes new modules. When Premiere reopens, make sure to clear media cache if you see stale behavior. That prevents old data from interfering with plugin initialization. Now you're ready to locate the plugin panel. You'll add the plugin to your project and set its basic controls. Locate it under Window Extensions or Effects, then drag the effect onto your clip or open the extension panel in a sequence timeline. Once applied, choose a preset to establish a baseline, because presets speed tuning and explain common settings. Then tweak core parameters, scale, blend, keying thresholds in grouped sections, make incremental changes and scrub the timeline to watch results. If playback stutters, set playback to 1/2 resolution to speed previews while you refine. You'll finalize by rendering and exporting with attention to quality and stability. After adjustments, press Enter to render effects in your timeline so scrubbing is accurate. Then use Export Media and choose Match Sequence Settings, or H. 264 with maximum render quality for best results. If you see glitches or crashes during export, update GPU drivers, toggle renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only, and clear media cache before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: if the plugin causes persistent crashes, disable it and test a single clip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.